strategic work. We'll see more businesses adopt RPA in the coming years. RPA will help us save time, reduce costs, and improve accuracy. It's going to revolutionize the way we work, allowing us to focus on more creative and strategic tasks. RPA is also changing the way we work, enabling workers to collaborate more effectively with machines. With RPA, workers can delegate routine tasks to robots, allowing them to focus on higher-value activities that require human skills. RPA robots can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, from data entry and report generation to customer service and order processing. They can work 24/7, without breaks or downtime, and can handle large volumes of data with ease. RPA can be a game changer for businesses. By automating repetitive tasks, it can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and free up time for workers to focus on more valuable tasks. It can also help to improve customer service and reduce costs. Implementing RPA can be a complex process, requiring careful planning and coordination with existing systems. However, with the right strategy and implementation, RPA can deliver significant benefits for businesses of all sizes. Now, let's talk about 3D printing. This technology has been around for a while, but its potential is only just being realized. 3D printing enables the production of complex and customized designs in a cost-effective and efficient way. 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing by enabling faster and cheaper production of customized designs. From healthcare to aerospace, 3D printing is being applied to a range of industries to produce high-quality and complex parts. This technology enables the production of complex and customized designs in a cost-effective and efficient way, revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. 3D printing has numerous applications, from rapid prototyping and product design to medical implants and aerospace components. It can also be used to create custom parts and components on demand, reducing waste and improving efficiency. Before we proceed to the next top trendy technologies, here is additional detail about the previously top trendy technology. Let's have an additional idea about blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology that enables secure and transparent digital transactions without the need for a central authority. It provides a tamper-proof record of transactions, making it easier to keep track of important information, improves supply chain management, and reduces the risk of fraud and identity theft. Blockchain also has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry by creating decentralized financial systems such as cryptocurrencies. Overall, blockchain has the potential to transform various industries by offering a secure and transparent way to conduct digital transactions and manage important information. Next on the top list this year 2023 is IoT. Welcome to the world of IoT, where everything is connected. From wearable devices to smart homes, IoT has already started to transform our lives. IoT, Internet of Things, is a technology that connects various devices to the internet, enabling them to collect and exchange data. With IoT, we can control and monitor our devices remotely, collect real-time data, and automate various processes. IoT has already started to transform our daily lives, from smart homes to wearable devices. However, its potential reaches far beyond just personal use, with IoT being implemented in industries such as healthcare, agriculture, and transportation. The growth of IoT is expected to continue in 2023, with the development of more advanced devices and systems that offer increased connectivity, efficiency, and convenience.